welcome to the latest updates for the latest news within South Africa. Hi guys and happy Wednesday. Our latest will be about the judge that is presiding over Zuma's rescission case, Judge Mguni. Let's follow up on that. EFF members and some members of the public are worried about the judgment Judge Mguni is going to give on Friday, considering how he couldn't answer simple questions when Malema interviewed him some years ago. In the next slide, please listen to his interview with Malema and let us know of your take regarding this. Please note this is the judge that is overseeing Zuma's case, the judge that Dalimbovu made submission to yesterday. Please let us know of your take after watching this video. That will be all from my side. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you again next time. Bye.
So that's how, if you come past and we talk about,
Judge, do you have any business relationship
No,
with
I don't
Mkhwanazi?
have. I've said I don't have. I honestly, in the same way that I've mentioned Mr. Mvili there, who works for the security.
No, don't divert me. I'm on this one. I'm on Mkhwanazi. I'm not interested. You see here, you have mentioned magistrate court. It's reasonable,
Yes.
it's understandable.
Yes.
You have mentioned legal advice. The problem is Donald Mkhwanazi. When a person mentors you, especially in the legal fraternity, you either go and work in their office, they take you under their wing, they do all sorts of things. But this relationship is not clearly defined, whether Dr. Mkhwanazi came to the college or you saw him many at times when he was visiting the son or anything of that sort.
You see, he's one of the, let me say this to you. It's, for instance, when I was at university, they would come and address us that, look, this is, explain to us the position in the country and try to encourage us. In the same way that the Deputy Chief Justice will come and address us and try to point out a certain path to us.
But I speak to a lot of people.
Yes.
The biggest rally I addressed was in the FNB Stadium. Yeah. And somebody get inspired there by me and puts me in the reference. I've never met that person.
No, I'm not saying...
And then that person says to me, Chief Justice, Julius Malema will speak very well of me because he addressed us when he was coming to motivate us.
No, but he knows, I said earlier on, he knows my upbringing.
He knows you?
Yes, where I come from.
Is there any financial relationship between you and him?
I said that long time ago, that he knows, my upbringing.
No, the answer is not clear. I'm not happy. I'm not a happy judge.
Commissioner Malema, I think we must leave it there.
We shouldn't, Chief. Okay.
No, you've made your point.
I will deliberate.
You keep on giving you the same answer. I think deliberations is the first place. Yes. You are excused, sir.
Why would a judge who's applying for a position of leadership get so easily intimidated like that? Because you're going to have to preside over senior judges.
Yes.
Some of them you looked up to them. Some of them you admired them. Some are junior and all the, and you have to show leadership at all times, at all material times. When you are a leader, you must show leadership.
Yeah, that is quite correct, but you must also bear in mind that you come to an environment which you're not familiar with. So there's always going to have, we have that, it's always going to test you, irrespective of how confident you are.
Now, I want you to just be specific.
Yeah.
In the KwaZulu-Natal division.
Yeah.
What are the challenges?
I've already mentioned one challenge that we don't, as an office, we don't seem to go out to the people and make sure that service delivery is taking place.
No, I'm not talking about those things. So going to the people is our responsibility as politicians. Yeah. You as a DJP, what are the challenges in the courts? Some person was saying here toilets are not working and other people were giving themselves an opportunity to go and fix toilets there. Now, what are the challenges? The aircons are not working, windows are not opening, the cleaners don't clean the courts. the judges don't give, judgments in time. What? And the Chief Justice tried to ask you that question, and you keep on giving, not so satisfying answer. We want to know about the court. We are not in Natal. I come from the rural province of Limpopo. So I want you to give us the picture of what are the problems in KwaZulu-Natal.
No, indeed, we have challenges. Yes.
When I took this platform, I said to a colleague of mine, I want to help you, but you can't help yourself. I'm not. You're answering a question I'm not asking.
Yes.
I'm asking, Judge, what are the challenges? For a moment, just leave yourself.
Yeah.
And give us the challenges of KwaZulu-Natal division. What I didn't say the aircons are not working. I was giving an example, or maybe that may be one of the challenges. So I'm just saying, just give us, let's simplify it. Can you give us 6 challenges in KwaZulu-Natal division?
Yeah. The first one is that we have lost one female judge to the Limpopo province. We have to try and get, a person to replace her. Unfortunately, it seems that we're not increasing the number of the African judges in the bench. We seem to be replacing, keep on replacing the African judges with African judges. So the number is not increasing. I say this because in September, an African judge retired. We've got to try and get, because if we get someone else, the numbers of the African judges on the bench will be reduced automatically. So those are the things. I think we have to go an extra mile, see whether we can get judges, African judges, especially females, to our bench.
Judge, I was going to ask you a vision. You can't give me a vision if you don't know challenges. Now, the last question is, your inability to speak to questions here and the fact that you continue to appear like you are unsettled and all those type of things, does that have to do with your seniority? Does it come as a result of your inexperience and you're so junior that you are unable to come across as a person who's readily available to take leadership?